Alright, this is my forge project. This is what I made hastily a few weeks ago. Kind of got me going. I'm going to try and make some improvements on this design. Utilizing mostly stuff I have, plus a little bit of pipe I purchased. This particular design, you can see it has this little cone from a Monster Energy drink that I would put a hair dryer in to force air in. And I had a few holes drilled on either side here, and that provided the air for the forge. And then I just kind of had these tiles that I dug up out of our yard to kind of help insulate, keep the heat from just dissipating from the bottom as well, using charcoal. Yeah, it's fine. And it worked to do my first couple little projects, and we're gonna see if we can make some improvements on it. So plan is I'm gonna cut this thicker piece of what looks like stainless. It's not. And to fit inside the bottom of that tray, because that's just way too flimsy. It'll burn through. So you can see it's a couple times. It's gotten to it pretty good, but that'll kind of help contain my charcoal and stuff. So trim that down. It fit inside. Drill a hole in that. Weld the short piece of pipe to that, and then make some sort of grate to fit over the top. Kind of keep from everything falling down the pipe. There it is, cut, put in place. Doesn't fit perfectly, but it doesn't need to. So next I have to drill a hole and get that pipe welded in. Take a file, clean up any sharp edges on the hole, clean any of the oil off from drilling the holes. Progress so far. So I was able to get 3 fire bricks in there. It's not full coverage, but should do the job for this version of it. I go back, well, we'll make some revisions, but get me going again. So that I'll have to make a plate for the bottom of that I can remove to clean out any ash. But this is a progress so far. I got my first burn going. Let's get this hot. Probably burn off some of that paint. And just to see how well it works. So I got my scrap bin hair dryer, pushing air through everything. Welding. Just a little piece of metal down there to kind of close things off the bottom that can loosen that wing nut and clear out any ash. This looks like it might work alright. Still got to get a top piece for it, but so far so good. I think it's going to work pretty well.